Quinti Horatii flaci ex Carminae, liber primum, Carmina Quinta, the Pyrrha poem. Quis multa gracilis te puer in rosa perfusus liquidis urget odoribus grato pyr sub antro, cui flawam religas comam simplex munditiis eo quotiens fidem mutatosque deos flebit et aspera nigris aequora ventis emirabitur insolens, cui nunc te fruitur credulus aurea, qui semper vacuam semper amabilem sperat, nescius aurae fallacis. Miseri quibus intemptata nites, me tabula sacer votiva paries indicat uvida, suspendisse potenti vestimenta maris Deo. What slender suitor, slick with scented oil, cajoles you, Pyrrha, in your pretty lair? For whom among the roses do you preen your golden hair, all demure and dainty? At your broken vows, at raging tempests darkening your seas, he'll often moan, dumbfounded in his naivety. For trusting in your sunshine, he'll not know how fickle are your breezes. He'll suppose your welcome will be cloudless forever. Woe to all those you dazzle unsuspecting. As for me, I've offered, as my votive plaque informs, my sodden clothes up to Neptune, master of all storms. What slender youth, bedewed with liquid odors, courts thee on roses in some pleasant cave, Pyrrha? For whom bindest thou in wreaths thy golden hair, plain in thy neatness? Oh, how oft shall he on faith and changed gods complain, and seas rough with black winds and storms unwonted shall admire, who now enjoys thee credulous, all gold, who always vacant, always amiable hopes thee, of flattering gales unmindful. I'm not as familiar with Milton's version as I should be. Hapless they for whom to whom thou'st untried seem'st fair. Me in my own vow picture the sacred wall declares to've hung my dank and dropping weeds to the stern god of sea. Okay. And now my version. What dashing youth, drenched in perfume, beckons you into the rose garden, Pyrrha, beneath that lovely grotto? For whom do you tie back your blonde hair? Plain in its neatness, alas, how many times he'll stoop in surprise and weep at changing faith and gods and bitter seas swept by your blackening winds. He who enjoys you now, who thinks that you're golden, that you'll always be single and always be lovely, he hopes, unaware of the treacherous breeze. Wretched are those whom you, untested, bedazzle. As for me, my votive tablet hanging on my sacred wall, dripping wet, indicates that I've hung up my shirt and thrown in my towel for the God who reigns on the sea. Gratias pro spectantibus. Valete.